Today we'll learn a fast and easy method to correct yellow photos in Lightroom with a single click. So let's get started. Hello friends, my name is Brendan from BeWillCreative.com, and on this channel we love to talk about photography, photo editing, and all that good stuff. So if that sounds like something that you would be into, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. Now today's tutorial is a nice short and sweet one, but man oh man is it ever helpful, because with one click you can correct discolored images that you might have when you're shooting interior photos or at night, for example. This can happen if you're using the incorrect white balance or there's some funky lighting in wherever you're shooting. However, with this easy method you'll be able to fix it in no time. So let's hop into Lightroom and see how it works. Now the photo that we'll be working with today is this basic hotel room photo I have, but of course things are looking very discolored and super yellow. So how can we fix that? In the develop module, you have all your editing options for your image, and of course you have your white balance. And this is the tool that you would use to change this color and correct it to make everything look white. Now you can manually go and adjust this as you need. However, it's hard to get the perfect look for what you're going for. Rather than wasting your time to manually figure out where the best color temperature is, you can use this little eyedropper tool here to make the perfect white balance selection with one click. So selecting this eyedropper tool, we'll go and pick an area of the photo that we want to look white. And in this case, it's these bed sheets, since that's the clear white part of the image. Clicking on that, it corrects the white balance and automatically makes all the colors in the image look better already. I can then just increase the shadows, highlights, or exposure values to balance everything out. And now we have a much better looking image than what we started with. Comparing that before and after here, you can see the crazy difference that makes in our colors, and it was all done accurately with just a single click. Now, if you don't have the luxury of a gigantic bed to sample from like I do in this photo, you can sample other things such as a white shirt, or if all else fails, you can also sample the whites of someone's eyes to get the correct white balance as well. So it's really as simple as that, using the eyedropper tool, clicking on an area of your photo that you want to look as white, and Lightroom will do the rest for you. So that is how you can quickly correct yellow photos in Lightroom using the eyedropper white balance tool. This tool is an amazing way to quickly get that accurate white balance adjustment without wasting your time to manually figure out which color temperature will work best for your image. Now, if you enjoyed today's tutorial and you learned something today, then make sure to hit that like button, as it really does make a difference, and also consider subscribing to stay up to date with more tutorials just like today. Anyways, that's all I have for you for now. My name's Brendan from BeWillCreative.com, and I'll catch you back here next time for another new tutorial. See you then.